So our Pelvis and Spine Biomechanics 2-day workshop is coming to Belfast. So if you're a personal trainer or a therapist, Pilates teacher, maybe a yoga instructor, you'd like to better understand your client's pelvis and spine biomechanics, this is the perfect practical workshop for you. There are a couple of online recordings prior to attending, and then on the days we are together, I'm going to show you loads of fantastic practical techniques to assess pelvis function, spine biomechanics, but also understand core progressions, core isometric ratios, and functional stability. If you're interested, this is a standalone workshop, and it's a great tool to help professionals from the exercise world and the therapy world work together to improve our clients' biomechanics. It also makes up part of our full diploma in biomechanics. If you enjoy it and you want to carry on with further modules with us, it will give you credits toward that too. So if you'd like to join us, follow the link. Look forward to seeing you there.